Which of the following is an example of a function whose graph in the xy plane has no x-intercepts? So a graph in the xy plane that has no x-intercepts means the graph is never going to cross the x-axis. So let's just go over these choices one by one and use the process of elimination to get the right answer. A linear function whose rate of change is not zero. Remember, rate of change is just a fancy name for slope. And if the slope is not zero, it means the line is slanting one way or another. So probably this way. And that graph is crossing the x-axis, so we know A is not it. B says a quadratic function with real zeros. Well, if you have a quadratic function with real zeros, it means it's going to be crossing the x-axis somewhere. So B is not it either. Let's look at C. A quadratic function with no real zeros. So if you have a quadratic function with no real zeros, it means that it never crosses the x-axis. It's either here, or maybe here, or maybe here, or maybe here. So C would have to be the answer to this question. But just to complete the check, a cubic polynomial with at least one real zeros would be a graph that sort of looks like this. So yeah, we can see that C is the only one that doesn't cross the x-axis.